I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League through cloud gaming services. This innovative approach lets you stream the full game directly through your web browser, like Google Chrome. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the high-octane vehicular soccer action without needing a powerful gaming computer. You can access the game from many devices, offering great flexibility and convenience for players everywhere. To begin, you will need to select a cloud gaming service that supports Rocket League. Popular options include NVIDIA GeForce Now, which even offers a free tier allowing 1-hour play sessions. Other excellent choices are Boosteroid and Shadow PC. Each service has different subscription models and features, so it is wise to compare them to find the best fit for your gaming needs and budget. Once you have chosen a service, create an Epic Games account and add Rocket League to your game library, as it is a free-to-play title. Next, sign up for an account with your selected cloud gaming provider. You can then access the service directly through your Google Chrome browser. For the best gameplay, connect a compatible game controller, as it offers superior precision over keyboard controls. For the best experience, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection, ideally wired, to minimize latency. Adjust in-game settings within the cloud service for optimal performance during your streamed session. Practice fundamental maneuvers such as boosting, jumping, and aerial hits to improve your car control. Remember, teamwork and clear communication with your teammates are crucial for scoring goals and winning matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.